Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Instagram reel using Canva. It's easy and free, so let's get started. So open your Chrome browser and open the Canva website. So in my case, I've already opened the Canva website, and after opening the website, you have to log in with the free account. You can use a Gmail account for registering. So after logging in, you can see this option here, create a design option. Click on it. Now here you have to type Instagram reel, so type Insta and okay, you can see the options here, Instagram reel. Click on it. Now the best thing about Canva I really do like is it offers you hundreds of templates, so you can select them and just modify, and just you can make your reel quickly. So for example, I want to make a reel on my pet, so I will search pet and search it up. Now you can see the hundreds of templates here, and they are really cool, I don't lie. So just select the reel, and you can see this all the reel pages. So click on first one, and you can change the text color as well. As so select all the text and go to this option A and make it to the black one. Black will suit it up. And you can see you can change the text font as well. As so click on this, and I will change into origin. Okay, now my no, this look don't look cool, so I guess okay, this one is sweet. So you can check this, the font text. You can also minimize and maximize the font size as well. As so after doing all the changes in the Instagram reel, just go to the share option and download your Instagram reel. So guys, that's all the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.